In the present business environment, HR plays a dash role in realizing the business goal. HR plays a strategic role in realizing the business goal. Question number 2, true false. The major challenge for the HR contribution towards the overall organization performance. The answer is true. Balanced scorecard was designed by C. Robert Kaplan and David Norton. Human resources can be turned as infinite renewable resource. An organization can develop only when its human resources are developed. The dash of any organization are the backbone who plays a stupendous role. The employees of any organization are the backbone. Again, true false. Human resource development is an integral part of human resource management, which is wider in its approach and does not relate only in providing formal qualification. The answer is true. Dash have made it clear that HRD is innate for every existence of the organization. The answer A. The answer is A. Increase in very existence of the organization. Dash is a factor which is forcing the business organization to reconsider their laissez-faire attitude in training. That is global competition. It is a method of intervening is an system. Answer is A. Process consultation. In this method, data related to the attitude of employee about wage level, structure, hours of work, and working conditions are collected. That is survey feedback. Dash is an extremely popular OD intervention, that is MBO, management by object. The full form of MBO is management by object. Dash improve the performance and result in self change of an individual, that is OD exercises. Dash helps to improve the communication skill of the employee and develop them a good listener, that is sensitivity training. Sensitivity training helps to improve the communication skill of the employee and develop them a good listener. Performance management focuses on future performance planning and improvement rather than retrospective performance appraisal. Performance standards are used when not possible to set dash time-based target. Resource the action provides all of the above: coaching, training, and guidance. Assessing results against standard. The answer is A. Measurement. Founding father of TQM, Total Quality Management, was W. E. Deming. Base pay can be expressed on. The answer is all of the above: annual basis, weekly basis, and hourly rate. The payroll cost can comprise dash or more of the total cost incurred by organization, that is 70%. 70% of the total cost incurred by the organization. The dash system is the most basic individual incentive system, that is PSU system. Industrial relation or plant community life, said by Peter Drucker. Through good, we can encourage collective bargaining, that is IR. Through good industrial relation, we can encourage collective bargaining. The DAS act as a mediator and custodian. Government act as a mediator and custodian. The difference between demand of employee and employees result in conflict. The DAS consider the mass rather than individual, that is IR. IR consider the mass rather than individual. IR seeks to reconcile conflict dash to match goal, that is HRM to match goal. IR seeks to reconcile conflict HRM to match goal. Conflict HRM to match goal. Does the apparent incompatibility between IR and HRM is a major challenge faced by IR? The answer is C, both A and B, reconciling and harmonizing. Collective bargaining is a form of participation. Collective bargaining may take place at the all of the above: national level, industry level, and enterprise level. DAS mechanism is an aspect of two-way communication, that is joint consultation mechanism is an aspect of two-way communication. DAS is a tool for evaluating the personal activities of the organization. HR audit is a tool for evaluating the personal activity of the organization. HR activities included recruitment, selection, and manpower planning. The DAS determine the success of corporate strategy. HR professional determine the success of corporate strategy. It is a method by which organization collect, analyze, and reports information about peoples and jobs, that is HRIS, Human Resource Information System. It realizes on consensus and cooperation rather than control or coercion, that is HRM. Pay philosophy examine developments in rewards. Base pay is basic pay, fixed salary, and wages. Performance management is a means of getting better result from the organization, teams and individual. During performance management, learning and work should be integrated. Levels pay agreed through negotiation or by individual agreement. Total remuneration compromises financial rewards and employee benefit. IR main function is to develop a support between the management and employee. Scope of IR include collective relations between union and management. High investment in education and skill enable the absorption of higher wages. IR deal with large component of rules and regulation, whereas HR deals with policies and practice. Major potential point of conflict between employers and union is loyalty and commitment. Dash 6 to reconcile conflict, dash to match goal. IR 6 to reconcile conflict and HRM to match goal. Thank you. Thanks for watching the channel.